Welcome to my channel Gleam Point. Today this video is very special for all fashion lovers. So don't skip the video and you find a beautiful dress ideas, new style and color scheme in this video. First of all, I would request all those viewers who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Dear viewers, in my video I bring the latest blended and the trendy dress ideas for all fashion lovers female. As you watching, these all dresses are very charming, stylish. These amazing dresses ideas help you in choosing the right dress of your personality. So keep watching this video till the end and don't miss the any style and amazing creative ideas. Thanks for watching.